PlayStationFan404 gets ungrounded. No way. More like PlayStationFan404 gets grounded. OMG, this show sucks. This show even read that white bird named it PlayStationFan404 and he likes to go to Valerie stupid adventures. PlayStationFan404 is stupid and creepy because of the bad shows. I mean, look at his face ugly, right? And nobody cares about the rest of the characters. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nobody cares. No, even and 100. Not even and 1000. And not even 10,000. And not even 100,000. Not even 1 million. Yeah. Even if the animation is crap, the stories are lying, the music is boring, the PlayStationFan404's voice are not good. They play the Windows 1995 intro at the start is lime. The songs are bleeding. This song is garbage. The voice actors are unprofessional, and the characters are jerks. I hope the show gets cancelled for good. I don't know if you like this show. I'm gonna leave and hate this show. 4864 even animator. 6, 6, 7, 9, 5 Zach the Officer Brothers fan. It ain't meant the show. You screwed PlayStationFan404 gets grounded. You screwed Sausage Party. Toy Star is 126 100 times better than PlayStationFan404 gets grounded. End of rant. Bye bye.